Got it. I'll go deeper and explain IM injection in a more clinical, detailed way, like what nurses are taught, but still easy to follow. Intramuscular IM injection detailed guide. Nub 1. Understanding the goal. An IM injection places medication into muscle tissue, which has good blood supply, faster absorption than subcutaneous, ability to hold larger volumes, 2 to 5 milliliters depending on site. Number 2. Injection sites. Very important. 1. Deltoid, upper arm, location 2 to 3 finger breadths below the acromion shoulder bone. Volume, max 1 to 2 millimeters, used for vaccines. Risk, can hit radial nerve if too low. Number 2. Vastus lateralis thigh, safest for beginners. Location, middle third of outer thigh. Divide thigh into 3 parts, inject in middle outer area. Volume, up to 3 milliliters. Best for self-injection, children. 3. Ventrogluteal, safest overall. Place palm on greater trochanter, hip bone, index finger, anterior superior iliac spine, middle finger spread V shape. Inject in center of V. Advantages, no major nerves or vessels, preferred in modern practice. 4. Dorsogluteal buttock. Avoid if possible, risk of hitting sciatic nerve, only used by experienced professionals. Number 3. Needle selection, patient needle length gauge. Adult average 1.5 inch, 22 to 25 gi. Obese 1.5 to 2 inch, 21 to 23 gi. Child 3 to 20 to 25 rule, must reach muscle, not fat. Number 4. Step-by-step detailed clinical method. Step 1. Preparation. Perform hand hygiene. WHO 7 steps. Wear gloves. Check. Right patient, right drug, right dose, right route, right time. Step 2. Drawing medication. For vial, 1. Clean rubber top with alcohol, 15 sec. 2. Draw air equal to dose. 3. Inject air into vial, prevents vacuum. 4. Withdraw medication slowly. 5. Tap syringe, remove air bubbles. For ampoule, break neck using gauze. Use filter needle if available. Step 3. Position patient. Relax muscle, very important. Examples, deltoid, arm relaxed, thigh, sitting lying, ventrogluteal, side lying. Tense muscles, more pains, injury risk. And step 4, skin preparation. Clean with alcohol swab in circular motion. From center outward, let dry completely. Step 5, Z-track technique, advanced and best practice. Used for irritating drugs, prevent leakage. How? Pull skin sideways, 2 to 3 centimeters. Insert needle. Inject medication. Release skin after removing needle. This seals medication inside muscle. Step 6, needle insertion. Hold like dart. Insert at 90 degrees angle. Quick. Step 7, aspiratorial. Pull plunger slightly, 1 to 2 sec. If blood appears, you hit a vessel, stop, discard, restart. Note, for vaccines, usually not required. For other drugs, may still be practiced. Step 8, inject medication. Inject slowly, 1 milliliters per 10 seconds. Fast injection equals pain, tissue damage. Step 9, needle removal. Remove quickly, same angle. Apply gentle pressure. Do not massage if vaccine, anticoagulant, painful drugs. Step 10, disposal. Do not recap needle. Dispose immediately in sharps container. Number 5, common mistakes, very important. Wrong site, nerve injury. Too shallow, drug goes into fat, ineffective. Too deep, bone contact. Not removing air bubbles, injecting too fast, reusing needles, dangerous. Number 6, complications to watch. Pain, swelling, abscess, bleeding, nerve injury, numbness, paralysis, allergic reaction, anaphylaxis, emergency signs, difficulty breathing, rash, dizziness. Number 7, pro tips from clinical practice. Use ventrogluteal site whenever possible. Always relax muscle. Use new needle after drawing medication. Warm medication slightly, reduces pain. Distract patient during injection. Final advice. Reading this helps, but skill comes from practice. Best way to learn: watch a trained nurse, practice on model, do first injections under supervision. Thank you. Have a nice day.